Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Today I will crochet Envy from inside out. If you like this, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your support really motivates me to create more videos for you. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: 4-ply cotton yarn, pair of scissors, a 3mm crochet hook, a needle, and a forceps for stuffing. In part 1, I will crochet the body of Envy and her cloth. In part 2, I will crochet the hand and hair. Let's start from the cloth. Start with 24 chain. Then join to the first chain with a slip stitch to form a round. In round 1, insert the hook to the back bump of the chain. Do single crochet in every stitch till end. In round 2, do single crochet in every stitch till end. You have total 24 stitches. In round 3, do 6 single crochet. And follow by 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern 3 times. In round 4, do single crochet in every stitch till end. You have total 21 stitches in this 2 round. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. In round 10, change to pink yarn. Do 12 single crochet in back loop only. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Turn upside down the dress and start from the middle around 6th stitch. Do 12 single crochet in front loop only. After the last single crochet, no need to join with the first stitch. Turn and continue to crochet next round. In round 12, Start with a chain. Do 1 half double crochet increase. Ten single crochet, then do 1 half double crochet increase. You have total 14 stitches in this round. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Here the dress is complete, then use white yarn to sew some dots on it. Next, we crochet the body and the head. Make a knot in a magic ring and do 7 single crochets into it. When you finish a round, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. And then make a chain to start the next round. In round 1 to 2, do a single crochet in every stitch until the end. There should be a total of 7 single crochets in each round. In round 3 to 5, switch to red yarn. Do a single crochet in every stitch until the end. There should be a total of 7 single crochets in each round. Cut the leftover yarn when you finish the first leg. Then, make another leg with the same pattern in round 6. Insert the hook to another leg, make a slip stitch. Then make a chain and do 2 single crochet. Do 1 increase. One single crochet, 1 increase, and 2 single crochet. Then insert the hook to another leg and do 2 single crochet. 1 increase, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 2 single crochet. Make 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to complete the round. Total 18 stitches. And then make a chain to start the next round. In round 7 to 8, single crochet in every stitch until end. Total 18 stitches. In round 9, switch turquoise yarn. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook, then make 1 chain. Remember to hold both yarn tails tightly. Do 1 single crochet and follow by 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern 6 times. You will have total 12 stitches in this round. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. Remember to fill in polyester fiber before the hole gets too small. In round 14, do 6 decrease. In round 15, do 6 single crochet. In round 16, here we start to crochet the head. Do 6 increase, total 12 stitches. In round 17, do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this 6 times, total 18 stitches. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. In round 22, we need to decrease on the face. The spot I marked with a pin is where I need to make a decrease. The 3 single crochets between both decreases will still remain. You just need to adjust the beginning and ending stitch numbers accordingly. Since everyone's crochet outcome may differ, adjust the decrease in the best spot on your doll. In my version, I will place the first decrease after 15 single crochet. If your stitches are twisting, you may need to adjust the number of single crochets before the first decrease. There are total 33 stitches in this round. In round 23 to 27, single crochet in every stitch until end. After that, you can secure the eye on round 23 to 24. Put it in between 17th and 18th stitch, and put another in between 22 and 23 stitch. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. Remember to fill in polyester fiber before the hole gets too small. The body of Envy is complete. Let's move on to part 2 to complete the hair and hand. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time!